Hey guys, in this video, I will be document daily on my trading journey, starting with $1,000 using MT5. So basically, this will focus on trading for Forex using MT5. And I will be document each of my trading journey and data analysis for each of my trades. And also I will be document it and write a summary on this as for educational purpose. So basically my initial capital is 1000 and let's us see how far we can go with this 1000. So this is day one of trading Forex, and as you can see currently my loss is 209. So basically for 1000 I have left with 209, and I have additional make the fund to 1200 as 200 is for my trial as a backup, and currently I'm studying it around at 800 plus for this account. So I just want to document my journey, and this video does not serve for any financial advice, and it's just for us to study and look back on my trading journey in Forex by MT5. So maybe someone is curious about what platform they are used in my MT5. Basically, you need to sync a Booker platform in MT5. So for me, I open up MT5 using my Booker platform, which is XM Global. And if you want to join my trading journey, you also can maybe sign up for one account, and it's definitely free. And basically XM, they also provide a regulated platform in trading Forex, and also is quite an easy and safe, so that you can just try out by yourself. And also they also provide sign up bonus if you are signing using my affiliate link down below. So basically if you really want to try out, maybe you also can try out for a demo account first, so that you can be familiar with Forex trading. So let's start. So first of all, I'm curious about the spread. Basically 2 days ago I have read out about the spread, and I have found out that the spread on MT5 is quite higher compared to TradingView. I'm not sure why is it. Maybe TradingView stimulation does not have any Booker involved in it, so maybe the spread will be lower. So basically, as you can see, BTC vs USD is currently standing at 8, while for the TradingView will be at the quire 9 something. So basically, when the higher the spread, maybe when we initiate any trading position, the trading position will be a losses, as the spread will make a gap in our setting our position. So basically for the past few hours, I have tried out a few trades for a 50-minute chart, and basically I just generate out my trading strategy, and I will try to revise my trading strategy and update a better trading version strategy based on today's experience that we have done in our trading. And currently it's quite a high loss for my trading style, and I think I need to brush up to maybe initiate a stop loss and take profit, so that the chart will be based on our strategy to be planned out. And I think I will more refer to previous chart, so that I can make a proper strategy by not visiting for the 1 minute chart. So for example, maybe the next trade when I initiate, I will set for the stop loss and take profit price, so that I does not need to monitor the graph. And also I will mention that I will ensure my risk reward ratio is more than 1 so that I can have a more biased trade if I'm setting for stop loss and take profit price. So for example, I think at this area I will modify for this trade. Currently the trade is standing at a $5 winning. So for the stop loss, it's a short position. So the stop loss I will set back to 46844. So basically this will be 64844. And for the take profit price, I will refer to the next support and resistance. Basically I will take this point as for example. This point will be around 62700. So you can just let it to generate out. After that you can just pull the stop loss and take profit price. So basically at here I will set to here, and you can just pull out your chart. Sometimes it takes some time to generate out the stop loss and take profit price. So yeah, basically I have include my stop loss and take profit price based on the support resistance. So maybe for tomorrow, my strategy, first I have to initiate my trade and also set a proper stop loss and take profit based on the chart so that I can have a more reward bias trade. And this is for, and also I will be updating daily on my performance so that you can keep trace on my trading record. So basically that's all for today's starting of my trading forex journey. This is day 1 and we'll continue and monitor for the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, and also we'll summarize out one day. To summarize out as a summary, so basically for tomorrow trading performance, I think what need to be improved first, I need to set suitable stop loss and take profit area, and also don't initiate too much of trade, and also study back why the spread is high. So basically I need to study back why the spread of trading is high. So yeah, basically this is a summary for day 1, and also I will be document each of the process for tomorrow and also followed by tomorrow. Thank you.